This is how real estate works in 60 seconds. Here we have John, and he's looking at buying a house, but the problem is John doesn't have the money for it. And that's when the bank says, hey, John, I heard you want to buy this house, and it's $5. Well, what we'll do is we can loan it to you, and all you have to do is pay us back in a thank you note. Give us $2 back. It's called interest. And John says, yes, I'll take it. So he takes his $5, and he buys the house. Now, what happens is over time, this house goes up in value because they got a new Starbucks, they have shopping, new restaurants, they even have a zoo nearby. And someone comes to John, they say, this is a beautiful home in a great neighborhood. John, I'll pay you $10 for it. Just give it to me. And John's like, well, my kids are grown, so here are the keys. I don't need this big house anymore. And he takes the $10, runs to the bank, and says, you remember you gave me $5 to buy this house, where here's your $5. But also, I promise you, I was going to pay you $2 as a thank you. It's called interest. And now John gets a chance to walk away with a $3 profit. And this can work in real estate. If you buy a house and sell it for more than you actually bought it for, that's because it went up in value. And everybody's happy because the bank, they were able to loan John the money, give him his dream house, and they still made some money. But John is happy too because he got a chance to live his dream house, but also making a profit when he sold it. Now, if you like this type of information, make sure that you follow for more, and do me a favor, comment below what concept you want to see next.